Most people get this comparison wrong. They look at hourly screenshots online and assume one app always wins. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, the earnings between Amazon Flex and DoorDash depend heavily on how you work, not just which app you choose. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is comparing base pay without considering downtime, expenses, and order consistency. In this video, you will learn which app pays more in 2026, how the earning systems are different, and which one actually makes more money for real drivers. Let's start with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex pays drivers by delivery blocks. You schedule a time, pick up packages, and deliver them in a structured route. A driver like Alex might do a 3-hour block and complete 30 to 50 stops. In 2026, Flex typically pays around $18 to $30 per hour before expenses. The advantage is predictability. You know your earnings before you start. But here's the problem. You don't always get blocks when you want them. Availability can be limited depending on your city. Now, let's talk about DoorDash. DoorDash works differently. You get paid per delivery. A driver like Jake can accept or decline orders in real time. Earnings depend on base pay, tips, and peak bonuses. In busy areas, especially during lunch and dinner rush, drivers can sometimes make $20 to $35 per hour. Now here's where it gets interesting. DoorDash has more flexibility, but less predictability. Some hours can be very profitable, while others are slow with low-paying orders. So which pays more in 2026? Let's break it down honestly. Amazon Flex tends to offer more stable hourly earnings because you are paid for blocks, not individual orders. But your total income is limited by block availability. DoorDash can potentially pay more during peak times because of tips and surge pricing, but income can fluctuate heavily throughout the day. Now let's look at real-world scenarios. A driver like John doing Amazon Flex in a busy city might earn $120 to $160 in a 6-hour shift with consistent blocks. Meanwhile, a DoorDash driver in the same city might earn anywhere from $80 on a slow day to $180 on a busy evening, depending on orders and tips. In a minute, here's the key strategy experienced drivers use. Many top earners don't rely on just one app. They combine both to reduce downtime and always stay active during peak hours. Expenses also matter. Both apps require you to use your own vehicle, so fuel and maintenance reduce final earnings significantly. Smart drivers track every mile to understand real profit, not just gross income. So what's the final answer? Amazon Flex wins on consistency. DoorDash wins on flexibility and peak earnings spikes. The real winner is the driver who uses timing and strategy instead of relying on one platform. To summarize, Amazon Flex gives structured pay and predictable blocks. DoorDash gives flexible but inconsistent earning potential. Your city, timing, and strategy decide your real income in 2026. If this helped you understand the real difference, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more honest driver breakdowns that help you earn smarter every day.